Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the Jeep to ACC or run so Uconnect is active. Next, enable Bluetooth on your phone and make it discoverable. This lets the radio find it. Then press the phone or settings button on the center display to open Uconnect. Once the menu appears, choose Pair Device to start scanning. You're initiating a connection now. Follow prompts on screen and your phone to accept pairing requests and confirm the passkey so devices will trust one another. Once the phone and Uconnect see each other, you tap the vehicle name on your phone and compare the passkey shown on both screens. Make sure they match. This prevents accidental pairing with nearby cars. After you accept, grant permissions for contacts and messages if you want hands-free calling and text alerts. Then wait until Uconnect displays device connected. If you plan to stream audio, select Bluetooth audio as the source. Once done, test a call and play a short track to verify audio routing. You finish by setting your phone as the preferred device in Uconnect so it auto-connects next time. Make sure your phone OS and the Jeep's Uconnect firmware are current. Mismatched versions often cause issues. If pairing fails, delete prior pairings on both the car and phone, restart both devices, then repeat the pairing steps. One quick troubleshooting tip: toggle Bluetooth off and on your phone before re-attempting. This clears transient glitches and usually solves connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.